Hi, I'm Marcel the Monkey, and welcome to our digital design project presentation, Monkey Math Mania, by Alex Ruggiero, Kiva Quealy, Claudia McCarthy, and Reese Lake. The main purpose of our digital product is to help enhance the numeracy skills of Stage 2 students. The Scratch program must incorporate the following elements to ensure it is not only educational, but also entertaining for the user. Our interactive Scratch game will be based on a common gaming design adopted by many games for children, using a multiple level structure where the sprite progresses through levels in the game by answering mathematical questions. The technology required to create our digital product is Scratch, an application which can be accessed through a computer and internet connection to play. Multiple choice questions will need to be answered correctly to earn a reward and allow the sprite to progress through to the next level. If a question is answered incorrectly, the sprite must start again. When creating our Scratch game for young children, ethical issues must be considered. These issues include the use of age-appropriate themes, as well as the game's suitability for children of all genders, race, and religion.